is we're going to be working on our biography, our personal biography. We're going to be formatting this text so that this text right here looks more like this right over here. We're going to be learning a simple set of tags over time over the next series of videos. This first one, we're going to be talking about a paragraph tag. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple of ways I like to go about formatting text when I'm in an HTML editor. So again, we're currently using the tool CodePen. You should have an account there. You should begin using that. This is where we're going to be doing most of our coding work because it's easy to do the work here and then preview it over here. Okay, so our first bit of formatting that we're going to do is a paragraph tag, and that paragraph is just the letter P. Okay, so I'm going to copy that paragraph tag. I'm going to go all the way to the end, and I'm going to close it as a paragraph tag. Okay, so ta-da! Look what we did. It doesn't look very different, does it? Over here, it's actually better to view, easier to read than it is over here, because this right here is at least separated by spaces. Why is it not separated by spaces over here? Because your HTML reader, your browser or anything that reads HTML, most of the time it ignores these line breaks. So how do we make it pay attention to them? Well, we have to end our paragraph somewhere else. Okay, so by doing that, we got this right here. Now, clearly, this right here, we would prefer to have formatting that looks more like this. All right, and we're going to aim towards that over the next several videos. All right, so I've got a paragraph there. I'm going to just say, let's put paragraphs at least everywhere that I want an indentation, or not an indentation, a separation of text. Okay, so here I've got all of this in a paragraph and it breaks it apart. By the way, if I were to remove all of this space right here, it's still going to format it like this. Okay, I like for my HTML to be somewhat formatted. Okay, but it doesn't matter. It could be all one block of text over here in this area, and it will start to format over here. It doesn't matter if we put just normal spaces. We have to code that space and those breaks in place. All right, so let me show you another way I like to do put my formatting in place. These words about me, I'm going to actually remove them by using the Control-X function to cut that section. Now I'm going to come in, I'm going to put a paragraph in, I'm going to close my paragraph. Notice that I went on ahead and I put my open and close bracket. I'm going to back in and I'm going to hit a close P. I'm going to back into that and hit the about me. And it's going to pop into place. See? All right. So I'm going to do that same thing here. I'm just going to copy or cut all of this section out, do a P, closed P, and then back into that section and then paste it in place. And now you're going to notice that now we have that paragraph break. All right, same thing here. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to do P and close P, back in and paste. You'll see the word experience pops into place. Okay, so let me show you one other way to do this. Copy, paste. Oops. That extra little guy right there. So now I just pasted that, and if I go in and I paste, and I paste, 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 paste. I'm just sitting here just adding formatting just by copying the end tag of one and the beginning tag of another. Because most of the time when you end one, you're probably going to begin another. That only changes in a few places. All right, so one more time, paste, and we already have our end tag here because I put it in front. And check it out. It's at least stacked more like a Word document, okay? Now, we still have a long way to go from there to here, so let's go ahead and at least save our document, what we've got so far in CodePen. I'm going to hit save. Now that's saved, and we're going to come back and we're going to add some different formatting throughout here to get our bolds, our larger text, our different spacing. All right, so finish up this and let me see what you've got. Again, you need to write a bio for you. It doesn't have to be true, just simply has to be done. You know, it just has your name, come up with a title, or maybe, hey, I'm in 8th or 9th or 10th grade at Roanoke Salem Homeschool. You know, where do you go to school? Stuff like that. Just write a bio and then start to format it, at least with paragraph tags, and then we'll go from there. See you on Monday. See you in the next video, I guess.